Hey everybody, we're going to continue with our fascinating series about how to add evidence to our accreditation site, and this video is going to talk about inserting a PDF. I forgot what we were doing. So let's say in our folders we want to we have a PDF for whatever reason. It certainly can come up, and I'm going to want to check on my privacy here and double check again that these items are public on the web, just to make everything easier to work with. And this, let's see, this, I gotta move that window open there. I'm gonna say done. This is just a PDF of guidelines from the accreditation site, so it's nothing that I have to worry about. So I'm gonna just go back here and show you how we're gonna do this. So I have a PDF in my drive and I want to embed it into our site. Embedding is different from having a link. Remember, few clicks as possible is our goal, so we want to embed items onto our pages so that people are not clicking out of our site, and just the process is going to be simplified. So what I do is I just open this up, but what you're going to notice is that the PDF I've got open here, but I've got three little dots. And to embed a PDF, I want to click on those three little dots and then tap open in a new window. All right, this gives me a couple of options that I want. And again, I'm looking at these three little dots and it says embed item. So Google gives me code for embedding a PDF. Now this seems scary, but it's actually a simple process. So I've got that code highlighted. I'm just going to do a Control-C to copy. That's all I need. I'm going to go to my page here, and if you have seen any of these other amazing tutorials, you're going to know that we've done a couple of things, and I'm going to add number 5. I am going to add, I'm going to edit the site, come down here, and number 5 is going to be embedding a PDF. So I'm going to insert a horizontal line to make that obvious that embedding a PDF, and I want to highlight that there, and I think we're up to 12 for the other stuff. Alright, and 12 for those other headings. Alright, so I want my PDF to go right here, right where these X's are. Okay, not so tricky. The only tricky thing is that code that we copied is HTML code. And actually, I'm going to make 3 X's because I'm going to use those X's to embed our PDF. Alright, so rather than just pasting, if I would paste the code, that's what I'm going to see. But that's really not what I want. Alright, I need to find this little guy that says HTML, and I am going to tap it, and this looks really crazy, this looks really bad, but this is really just the HTML of our page. Alright, so we're going to use that, and right here, do you see where I have these 3 X's? I'm going to take those away, and I'm going to paste that code that I just copied. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm going to say update, and I'm going to tap on this because I want to center this document, and I'm going to say save, and bam, we have a PDF embedded into our site. Now, I can make this bigger. In fact, let's just go do that, because this can bother some people that, gosh, I can scroll and I can see everything, but I want to have a little bit more of the page visible. So I'm going to go back to that HTML, and we're going to read that. I've got to edit the site, come back up here, and I'm going to go to HTML, and if I go down to the bottom, I'm going to read where I just inserted that, And I'm going to change this to maybe a 9, and I went from 6 to a 9, so I'm going to keep that ratio, and I'm going to do a 4 to a 7, just to add a little bit of height and width. And let's come down here, see what that looks like. I might even want it a little taller. But so now I can see that it didn't change much. So let's go back up here. And why didn't that change very much? Height, and let's see, let's say we want that really to be, let's just do a 9, and let's just do that guy at 9. I see another way to change that, but this is a minor thing that you need to understand. We just need to know that it's possible, and basically getting the PDF embedded into our page is doable. So this already is better than clicking and going somewhere else, and it's not too tricky, but something we need to know about. So thanks for listening. All right.